All right, we're on the 13th floor of the Hyatt Regency downtown Seattle. We're gonna ride some elevators. 26. Oh, okay. 26. We are. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, these are fast. Here we're at 26. Here, let's send this one down. I want to get a different one. I want this one to be particular. Kone. I love these elevators. I got this one.
Going down.
Oop. Oh, I almost hit the wrong button.
Eighth floor.
Have a good one.
Going down.
I wonder what kind of buttons these are.
Fifth floor.
Here at 5. Going down?
Going down.
What floor?
1, please. Thank you.
First floor.
There you go. Have a good one.
Going up.
It's the one I wanted. Uh-oh. Oh, it's locked. All right. There goes that. That's it. 45, 27, 40.
I'm only nervous because I don't have my weekend glasses.
Gonna try it. Oh, here we go. Whee! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We just got into the high-rise elevators. Hyatt Regency. This is crazy. Whee! Wow, these are smooth. Oh man. Wow. 1. See how good we do here. 44. Wow. Oh my goodness. Surprised it doesn't say express zone. Oh. Wow. Whee! Wow, these were fast. There there's the service elevator. But we're not gonna ride that. That's stuff. Here are the parking elevators, Hyatt Regency, downtown Seattle. These are also Kone. I think that serves all the parking levels. These serve parking levels P4 to P7. Here's one. Oh.
The 8-minute walk. It's not. Good night.
P6. Well, these are EcoDisc.
Going up.
There's the garage. Let's get out here. So yeah, these are pretty nice elevators. Let's call it this one again.
Going up.
One. Looks like EcoDisc lantern or indicators, innovation bruiser lanterns, innovation buttons. Here are at one.
Going down.
Oh. Okay. Call locked. 26. Oh. Going up. What floor?
10.
10.
Yes. Thank you.
Yep. Oh.
Sorry, you're in the sugar? Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, we're stopping on 2. Going up?
Yes.
What floor?
7, please.
Woo. Oh, 7's already unlocked.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
Wow. There it goes. We'll do a sample of one more Kone chime. Buttons need to use. There it is. Wow, that's crazy. Well, there they go.
Going up.